morning. Welcome to my channel. And welcome back to Smart Kids by Pearl. In today's vlog, how to share you how to brush your teeth. Ito na guys, yung brush your teeth.
Sa taas, paano? Huwag ka malikot please. Taas, baba. Taas, baba. Open your mouth. Yeah, brush. Clean your tongue.
What next?
Linisan sa gilid. Sa gilid. Sa gilid. Okay, I will get water for a while. Diyan ka lang.
Guys, ito na yung mumug ko.
Daming mumug para malinis. Tapos, tingin. Tingin, saglit. Wait, huwag ka malikot.
Kids, tapos na ako mag-brush your teeth. Ito na yung teeth ko. Maganda na. Tingnan niya.
Yee! Yan linis! Linis yan. Okay? Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And like and subscribe for Save a Pig.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.